Good afternoon, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's start today's class. So, students, this is your block 11 and this is the part 1 of your block. So, students, in this block, today we will play a game. What do I need? So, student, I will tell you a problem and I will give you 3 options as a solution. So you have to tell me what thing I need to solve the problem and why. Okay, students? So student, there are 3 problems. Now look at this problem. First problem is my shirt is torn. What do I need? The options are needle, a horse or a clock. So what do you need? So I need a needle to stitch my shirt. Okay, students. The second problem is this. It is raining. What do I need? It is raining. What do I need? The options are a pen, an umbrella, or a phone. So I need an umbrella when it is raining. जब रेन हो रही है तो अम्ब्रेला हमें प्रोटेक्ट करेगा ना रेन से. सो अम्ब्रेला. नेक्स्ट वन, द थर्ड प्रॉब्लम इज दिस. माई टेबल इज डर्टी. व्हाट डू आई नीड? आई गिव यू ऑप्शंस. द ऑप्शंस आर अ क्लॉथ, अ स्पून और अ बुक. सो I need a cloth to clean the dirty table. So these are the solutions of the problem. First problem का solution है we need a needle. Second one is we need an umbrella. And third one is we need a cloth to clean the table. So students, these are the solutions. So next one. So student, this is your block 11 and today we will read a poem. There is a mouse, and to find out in this problem we find out problems and their solution in it. So students, now let's read this poem. So there is a poem. In the first stanza of the poem, there is a mouse in this house. I need a cat, not a hat. Second one, there is some sand in my hand. I need cement, not a tent. Next one, there is a bug in the rug. I need some powder, not some chowder. Next one, there is a train in the lane. I need a clock, not a sock. Next one, there is some loot in my suit. I need a bank, not a tank. Next one, there is some dirt on my shirt. I need some soap, not some rock. Next one, there is a drink in the sink. I need a cup, not a pup. Next one, there is a car in the jar. I need a spoon, not a prune. Prune क्या होता है? Dried plum. Next one, there is a tree on my knee. I need an axe, not a fax. Next one, there is a fly in my eye. I need a funnel, not a channel. Flannel, not a channel. Okay, students. So, students, this is your poem. So, student, can you tell me what is the problem in first 4 lines and what are the problems in the poem? So, other problems in the poem. So, first of all, we find out the problems. So, in the first stanza, there is a mouse. तो mouse क्या है? There is a mouse. Mouse is a problem. माउस क्या है? प्रॉब्लम है. माउस कहाँ है? हाउस में. तो दिस इज अ प्रॉब्लम. सो व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन? First of all we will find out the problems. So there is a problem in this poem. There is a problem, mouse in a house. This is a problem. In the second, there is a bug in the rug. I need some powder, not some powder. Bug is a problem here, and so there is a problem. Bug है वो rug पे है, तो this is a problem. And next problem is there. Sand is a problem. Sand कहाँ है? Hand पे है, तो there is a problem and there is a problem. Okay, so there is a train in the lane. So what is the problem in this? There is a train on the lane. So there is a problem कि ट्रेन है वो लेन पे आ गई है. So there is a problem. These are the problems in the first 4 stanzas. Next one, in this stanza there is a problem. Dirt is the problem. Dirt on shirt. And there is a drink in the sink. So there is a problem. Drink in the sink. Next one, there is a car in the jar. तो problem क्या है? Car in the jar is a problem. Next one, there is a tree on my knee. So there is a tree on the knee is a problem. Next one, fly in the eye is also a problem. So these are the problems in this poem. Next one, what are the solution to this problem? Now let's discuss the solutions. So there is a problem of mouse in the house. This is a problem. So we will find out the solution. So the solution is a cat mouse को eat कर लेती है, तो so there is a solution. Not a hat is not solution. Solution नहीं है ना, not a hat. Not लिखा है, इसलिए इसे not लिखा हुआ है, तो solution नहीं है. So there is a solution cat. Now in this problem, sand in the hand is a problem. Sand in hand is a problem. And what is the solution? Cement is the solution. Okay, cement is the solution, not solution. Tent is not a solution. Next one, there is a bug in the rug. Bug in the rug is a problem. Bug in a rug is a problem. And there is a solution, some powder. Powder is the solution. And chowder is not a solution. Okay, students? So student, there are some problems and these are the solution. Next one, there is a train in the lane. Train in the lane is a problem, and here is the solution. A clock is a solution, not a sock. Sock is not solution. There is a clock. Clock is solution here. Next one, now let's discuss. There is some dirt on my shirt. Some dirt on my shirt. This is the problem. And there is a solution. Solution क्या है? Soap. Soap is a solution. Rope is not a solution. Okay, students? Here, drink in the sink is a problem. तो ड्रिंक को किस में डालेंगे? कप में डालेंगे, तो कप इज अ सॉल्यूशन, नॉट अ पप इज नॉट सॉल्यूशन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ कार इन अ जार इज अ प्रॉब्लम. कार इन अ जार इज अ प्रॉब्लम. वी नीड अ स्पून. स्पून की नीड होगी. स्पून इज अ प्रॉब्लम, नॉट अ प्रून. प्रून ड्राइड प्लम होता है, वो थोड़ी ना सॉल्यूशन है, तो हमें स्पून चाहिए ना उसको बाहर निकालने के लिए. वी नीड अ स्पून. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो नाउ देयर इज अ फ्लाई इन माई आई. देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम. Fly in my eye, there is a problem. I need a funnel, not a channel. Funnel is a solution, not channel is not solution. Okay students, funnel होता है soft एक फैब्रिक होता है soft, उसको बोलते हैं, that is woolen फैब्रिक होता है. ओके, जो बुना हुआ होता है ना, सॉफ्ट फैब्रिक होता है, उसको बोलते हैं. और सॉफ्ट फैब्रिक से उसको हम, जो चला गया है आपकी फ्लाई चली गई है आपकी आई में, तो वो निकल जाती है, उससे निकाल सकते हैं हम. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो देयर आर द सम प्रॉब्लम्स एंड दीज आर द सॉल्यूशंस. सो सॉल्यूशंस आर कैट, सीमेंट, सम पाउडर, अ कप, अ स्पून, एन एक्स एंड अ फनल. So these are the solution. Next one, what does the author say? Note the solution for a mouse is in the house and why. So now let's discuss the answer. So the problem is that a mouse is in the house. So the girl needs a cat to chase it away. उसको बाहर भगाने के लिए cat की need होगी ना. So this is a problem. The problem is a mouse in the house. और solution क्या होगा? नीड, cat की नीड होगी, तो हम cat लेके आएंगे. a hat can't solve the problem. Hat है वो solve नहीं कर सकता ना problem को, so it is not a solution. So student, I hope it is clear to you. Move on the worksheet. So student, this is your worksheet. There is a question 1. Read the following lines, underline the rhyming words. So ये जो फर्स्ट है आपका पैराग्राफ, सॉरी स्टेंजा, उनको रीड करना है और उनको फाइंड आउट राइमिंग वर्ड्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं. सो माउस एंड हाउस इज द राइमिंग वर्ड और आपको अंडरलाइन करने हैं राइमिंग वर्ड्स. माउस, हाउस, कैट, हैट. So they are the rhyming. Next one, dirt and shirt are rhyming. Soap and rope is rhyming. So these are the rhyming words. You have to underline that rhyming words. I hope question 1 is clear to you. There is a question 2. Draw the problem in the above lines. जो ऊपर लाइन्स है उनमें एक प्रॉब्लम राइट करनी है. तो आपको क्या करना है, एक माउस यहाँ पे एक ड्रॉ करना है और वो माउस कहाँ है, हाउस में है. तो वो माउस इन अ हाउस यू हैव टू ड्रॉ हेयर. एंड सेकेंड जो आपका कॉलम है उसमें आपको एक शर्ट ड्रॉ करनी है और उसके ऊपर एक स्पॉट लगा देना कि वो शर्ट है वो डर्टी हो गई है. डर्टी शर्ट आप ड्रॉ कर दोगे ऐसे और एक स्पॉट लगा दोगे इस पर धब्बा, जैसे कि वो डर्ट हो गई है. आई होप क्वेश्चन 2 इज क्लियर. नेक्स्ट वन, थर्ड क्वेश्चन. Write the solution to the problems in the above lines. So here the problem is mouse in the house and there is a solution, cat is the solution. Cat है solution, तो cat write कर देंगे. And there is a dirty shirt है, उस पर dirt लग गया है, तो there is a problem, soap. Soap is the solution and problem is dirt and soap is the solution. So we have to write down here. I hope question 3 is clear to you. There is a question 4. Are the hats and the rope solutions to the problem? Why or why not? Hat और rope solution क्यों नहीं हो सकते? So we need a cat to chase the rat. So cat की need होगी ना हमें. Hat can't eat mouse and hat can't chase the mouse. Okay, so there is not hat don't have the, so hat can't solve this problem. So and rope, we clean the shirt with the soap, not a rope. So we can't clean a shirt with the rope, so it cannot solve the problem, so it is not a solution. So I hope it is clear to you students. So student, this is your S1. After watching this video you have done this worksheet. So thank you students and watch it. Thank you students, watch this video and watch it carefully.